In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Podia Spaces. We'll walk through the process of creating a space in Podia, and along the way, I'll also explain the key settings that control who can access it and how the space behaves once it's live. This is especially helpful if you're building a community, organizing discussions for students, or setting up private areas for members inside your Podia account. To get started, head over to your Podia home dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your account and access the tools connected to your site. Once you're there, look for your Podia account name and click on it. That will open the account menu where you'll find more administrative options. From that drop-down, click on Admin. This takes you into the back-end management area where you can control more of your site's setup and content. After that, find and click on Spaces. This is the section where you can create and manage the community spaces connected to your Podia account. Once you're inside the Spaces area, click on New Space. This opens the setup page for creating a brand new space from scratch. The first thing you'll want to do is give your space a name. Choose something clear and recognizable since this is what members will see when they browse your community. A good name makes it easier for people to immediately understand the purpose of the space. Next, choose an icon or image to give the space some personality. This is a simple step, but it can make a big difference visually. Adding an icon or image helps your space stand out and gives your community a more polished, branded feel. If you have multiple spaces, this also makes them easier to identify at a glance. After that, add a description. This is where you explain what the space is for, what kind of content people should expect, or how members should use it. A strong description helps set expectations early and can reduce confusion later on. Keep it concise but clear enough that members know whether